Lala Ozaita and this is Cooking with Lala, kung saan we will cook your favorite egg recipes that you can enjoy together with your friends and family. And today we have a special dish for you. You can serve this during breakfast or even lunch. Maraming may favorite dito kasi it's very easy to prepare and super delicious. This is Egg and Bacon Delight using Sunny's brown eggs. Simulan na natin ang pagluluto. Here it is, our Egg and Bacon Delight using Sunny's brown eggs. Very delicious and easy to prepare for your families and friends. Kaya kayo rin, itry nyo na rin using Sunny's brown eggs. Kapag gumagamit tayo ng eggs as our main ingredients in our dishes, dapat siguraduhin nating fresh and safe ang ating eggs na gagamitin. Dapat no antibiotics added or any harmful elements na makakasama sa ating katawan. Kaya naman, the best eggs for your need, Sunny's brown eggs, enriched with vitamins A, D, and E, and selenium, which are essential for your body. For more egg recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cooking with Lala, and i-click na ang notification bell para each episode updated ka. Like and share din ang aming Facebook page, Gems and Prime Eggs, and Instagram, Cooking with Lala. Again, I'm Lala Ozaita. See you on our next video. Bye-bye and God bless!